Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Hello and thank you for joining us on NewslinkIndiana.com for Monday, December 5th, 2005. I'm Alyssa Ivinson. With the holidays approaching, it's time to get a jump start on sending your cards and packages, especially if they're headed overseas. More than 20 billion letters, packages, and cards will be delivered between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Monday was the first recommended mailing deadline for anyone sending mail to those serving in the military overseas.
For the APO and FPO addresses, we ask customers to have their letter mail, the green cards, mailed no later than the 5th or the 10th of the month, depending on what part of the world they're going to.
And you can find more information about when to send your holiday mail right here at our website, NewslinkIndiana.com. The $20 billion rebuilding of a busy Muncie bridge is almost complete. Newslink Indiana's Adair Wolfram shows you how the project is stacking up.
The renovations to the High Street Bridge in Muncie are almost complete. The bridge leading into downtown Muncie has been closed since February.
The project is amazingly on time, has been throughout the course of the contract. As of this morning, the update is still December 16th as an opening for the bridge.
With only a few minor setbacks, the High Street Bridge is scheduled to be completed on time.
There's always minor problems that occur during the course of any construction contract.
The bridge deck was replaced and a southbound lane and walkway were added.
The rehab involves taking the old structure down to the piers basically and then building it back up from there.
Delaware County has been repairing many of the main bridges that cross the White and Mississinewa rivers.
The county has made a dedicated attempt to keep them in good working order.
Even through the cold, workers are still working hard to make sure the project is completed by the 16th. In Muncie, Andrea Wolfram, Newslink, Indiana.
The City of Muncie and the Chamber of Commerce plan to open the bridge with a ribbon-cutting ceremony. The Henry County Sheriff's position is opening, and one of the candidates has a familiar last name. State law won't allow Kim Cronk to run again, so his wife Nyla has thrown her hat into the ring. Sheriff Cronk has been in office for 7 years, but says it won't be hard to give his job to his wife.
I kind of encourage her because, I've dedicated 28 years of my life to Henry County, and she has too. She started out on our department, and we're proud of our department, and we want to continue till we reach retirement age.
Cronk is the first candidate to formally announce her candidacy, but a few others have started campaigning. If elected, Cronk would be the first female police officer to be elected sheriff in Indiana. Police say Saturday's freezing rain caused several accidents. Newslink Indiana's Colleen Borman has a few tips on how to drive safely this winter.
Winter weather can sometimes put a halt to your daily routine. Icy streets create more dangers for drivers.
You're going to feel the wheels start to spin, and then you'll see a light.
David Setzer says there's a new feature that can winterproof your car.
If somebody cruises in front of you, that laser senses that and will back off of the accelerator a little.
The dynamic laser cruise control system is the latest in technology, helping to keep a safe distance between two cars. He also says to keep maintaining your anti-lock brakes. Up-to-date technology might not always save you when you're driving and you hit that patch of ice, but specialists say the best way to stay safe is to be alert.
I think good common sense and, again, good mental alertness.
Superintendent Brown says there are many unseen dangers.
Cell phones or radio or any noise that's going to distract from your mental alertness to drive in hazardous conditions is going to take away from your ability to be as safe as you could.
Here are a few other things to watch out for. Check the forecast before hitting the roads. Keep your gas tank at least half full. Allow extra time to reach your destination and avoid abrupt stops and starts. Be patient and don't panic. Brown says he's seen people make these mistakes year after year, but hopefully not this year. In Muncie, Colleen Borman, Newslink, Indiana.
And the storm may have been gone Monday, but some ice was still lingering. Police blamed 2 accidents on Briar and Walnut in Muncie on a patch of ice. And Jennifer Cook joins us now with a look at our forecast. And while those storms are kind of out of our forecast for a while, are we going to see some more snow moving in soon?
You know what? In fact, we are going to see more snow moving in. They've been laying more salt, but you know what? That's the only thing helping melt the snow. Temperatures really aren't helping the snow melt. 29 Saturday, 29 on Sunday. Temperatures drop 5 degrees today, 24. Temperatures are going to continue to fall. Tomorrow we're expecting 22 degrees, Wednesday 20 degrees. Keep in mind the normal is about 20 degrees warmer at 42 degrees. Overnight tonight, in fact, we're going to be seeing the single digits. In Muncie, expect 9 degrees, 12 degrees Indianapolis, out towards the west, Lafayette 8 degrees. So very cold air is in place over east central Indiana. It's going to remain throughout the next couple of days. When we take a look at precision cast, we're going to remain clear overnight. We are going to see some clouds increase. Snow flurries throughout the day tomorrow. In fact, they're going to stay in the forecast through the day on Wednesday. Then high pressure is going to build in from the southwest, and as it does, it's going to clear out the skies for the day on Wednesday. But we're going to watch a system to the north and then one towards the south. The mixture of those are going to bring snowfall to east central Indiana on Thursday. With it, we could see some accumulating rain or snowfall, but we'll keep you updated here on newslinkindiana.com. The United States tomorrow, very cold conditions. In fact, 10 degrees Minneapolis, 8 degrees the high tomorrow in Lincoln, and in Gillette, Wyoming, 3 degrees. So very cold air. In fact, tomorrow, very cold air over Muncie. But you know what? Even colder air is going to move in for Wednesday. Highs tomorrow, 22, 24 Indianapolis, 21 Lafayette, 18 in South Bend. Very chilly conditions locally. Overnight tonight, 9 degrees. Normal is 25 with the winds kicking in at the west-northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. We could see the wind chill near 0 degrees. Tomorrow, a little bit of a warm-up, 22 degrees, but once again, with the winds kicking in, temperatures are going to be near the single digits. Normal high for tomorrow, 41 degrees. The 5-day forecast is going to show very chilly conditions. Thursday's our next big round of snowfall after tomorrow. Thursday's high, 24 degrees, 30 on Friday, 35 on Saturday. So it looks like we're going to warm up a little bit for the weekend. But we got to get through this week first because it's going to be chilly, so we're going to need to bundle up.
Not just chilly, but cold, really
Very
cold.
cold, bitterly cold.
I'm going to try to stay inside as much as I can. Okay, thanks, Jennifer. A new internship program at Anderson University is helping students get a head start on finding jobs. A Lilly grant helped the school create the Envision program last fall. The idea is to have the internships lead directly to jobs, as opposed to internships where students just perform routine tasks.
To have the students sitting there and saying, okay, did we think about doing X, Y, and Z as opposed to A, B, and C? You know, having that type of exchange at a board table and having them, you know, get their hands into the business.
So far, the Envision program has placed more than 70 students in internships with local businesses. Construction is underway for Portland's first super Wal-Mart, but as the big box stores move in, are local supermarkets moving out? Newslink Indiana's Scott Atkins has more.
Shelves are stocked and shoppers like Amanda Reynolds are picking up some odds and ends, like
syrup, because I'm making pancakes.
It's just a quick errand, and that's why she likes Adair supermarket.
Like say my kids are out of diapers and Walmart's, you know, clear in Portland. That's quite a trek when you're just getting diapers or one thing or two things.
Prime competition is 20 minutes away from Adair's Corner Market here on Highway 1, a convenient stop for shoppers looking for that last-minute bargain.
We try to keep our prices low so that it does benefit them to come here versus going to the big super Walmart.
She got her ears pierced. Oh, wow.
Talk is cheap, but it is hard to come by unless you shop in stores like Adair's.
More personal aspects of it than in the great big supermarkets, and you know, we can do a little more personal things for them.
Adair's will celebrate its one-year anniversary in May. In Pennville, Scott Atkins, Newslink, Indiana.
Portland Super Walmart is expected to open in spring 2006. It will be the first Super Walmart in Jay County. And that is Newslink Indiana. Thanks for joining us. And as always, you can find news 24 hours a day right here at newslinkindiana.com.